Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the password on Discord. So first, what you guys want to do is go over. Here we are on the main page of the Discord, which is direct messages. We're going to click on a gear icon to open up user settings. And here we go, we want to go to the account and account info. This will be the first thing that will open up. So we shouldn't be worried about finding it. Here we have password and security. We want to go over and simply click on edit. Here we have our current password. So as you guys can see, let's just enter it. Now we're gonna enter a new password. So and as you guys can see, now we click done. As you guys can see, the password just got updated. There's nothing you can do. Basically, if you wanted to go and just change the password, nothing will happen. And now if you try to log in with your old password, it won't work. As you guys can see, that's how the change looks like. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.